few weeks ago, this happened. But 2 days after that, well... So we went on a 12-hour car journey, an insane journey. We get lost and all of that to Sabah, and I'm here to confirm that it's not the journey that matters. It's how you go on the journey that matters. Because from the way you go on the journey, from there you will find the adventure in the journey. So, as you can see here, I'm traveling with my cousins, my relatives, my uncle, aunt, and my aunties and my grandparents. So, as you can see here, I want to say, travel with the people you need. That means that you travel with the person that is meaningful to you, and from there, in that journey, the adventure will be more greater, and most importantly, it will strengthen your relationship with one another. So the reason why I make this video, why I wrote this story, it is because I want to say once more, I want to confirm that it's not the journey that matters, it's how you go on the journey. And by the way you go on the journey, if you pick the right way, you will find the greatest adventure in the journey with the person, the people that is meaningful in your life. That's all for me. Like this video, comment on below, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.